Hey guys, we have
What we need for our camp.
what, Papa?
We need this box right here.
Yeah. Okay.
Get that set up right there, Will.
Yeah.
See what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Take a picture of your phone so we know what you're talking about.
Got it. Alabama C8, guys. Then we got a M. Come on, work with me. Nice M. Real nice M. 2 models up from the H. Alabama CA. Okay. Ooh, for my John Deere guys, look at this 70. Good looking 70. That's a good looking 70. Straight too. $420. Feel my pool here too. Nice 40-20. Let's get down here. This is here. That's a nice tractor. Backing in there. Damn. Nice Super C, sir. My papa's got a Super A. My papa's got a Farmall Super A. It's a nice tractor. Alright. Nice Model A. One lawnmower. Ah, the John Deere 110. There's the Cub. Mm-hmm. Super M. That's a nice one too.
Super M. It had
Look how nice it is, Papa.
live hydraulics on it.
Uh-huh.
Nice tractor.
Big. Did you look at that Super C there, Papa? We got a Cub Cadet 1450. International Cub Cadet.
Morning, you doing all right, buddy?
All right, horse.
On the crowd.
Missed the show last year because of a wedding. Some nice BC. Oh no.
Pie are round, tractors are red.
From yesterday's video.
Yes, sir.
You hardly ever see a bee.
Anymore. Oh, this is, yeah, this is a Super A with a tricycle front. Nice. These are 2-row.
Another row, son. If you need me, just holler.
Alright. These are 2-row tractors. Ooh, look at here. Look at this old wagon. That's nice. Another old wagon.
Yeah.
Where? Massey Harris. That's Massey Harris. That's a work tractor. It's a nice one. Real nice one. Ah, yeah, big boy. Big guns. Diesel engine. International. Yes. That sucker's huge.
I ain't got none, but I didn't want out at home.
Ooh, Minneapolis Moline. It got bought out and that got bought by White.
Oh, yes, sir.
And then Atco.
Make up a lid.
Nice. Decent. I don't know much about these things. Jetstar 3. I don't know a thing about them.
I gotta ask you something, man.
Yes.
You tell me the truth.
Ooh, John Deere. John Deere A.
I'd live about 2 years before all that took place.
Nice John Deere. Real nice John Deere.
Can you?
I mean, boy, I can believe some comes out there.
I can't believe none of them. Man, I fear them.
Unstyled A.
I like to see it.
Hand clutch, no hydraulics. That's what I like about these early model tractors. Is that it says John Deere on the back. Oh yeah. There's a 1950 8N Ford. These things are very popular. It's just like the brakes and the clutch pedals are just like my 800, but yes, it's got the 3-point hitch and everything. Hydraulics are in the same spot. The lever is right there, but this is a 1 bottom plow tractor, or maybe a 2. But anyway, there was a 9N, then there was a 2N, and then Ford said, you know what, let's make an 8N. Took his block off his flathead V8 and put in there. This is a 960. Bigger power, more power than my 800. Nice John Deere Ford. Here again, same setup as my shifter on my Ford. Same clutch, same clutch position, same brake position. About the same everything, but more horsepower and it's taller. Ah, yeah. This one here, I wouldn't paint it. I would clear coat this thing. Nice Ford. 4020. John Deere 4020. That's in immaculate condition. There's your 120. I'm sorry, your 320, your 420, your 520. And it ran all the way up to 820. And this John Deere is nice. Ah, yeah, the big old 70 that I showed you guys a minute ago. This thing is big. It's what replaced the G. And then okay, I gotta give you John Deere guys. They fire right up. This is what replaced the G, the John Deere G. And the John Deere 80 replaced the John Deere R. The 60 is what I like to have. I also like to have the whole entire set. My wallet can't hold, don't have that right now. Goodness, this 70 is in great shape. Brake on each side. Oh, 320. That's a 320. Wide front. That thing is nice. Okay. Now we're coming down to a Farm All M. It's 2 models up from Papa's H. Papa likes them like this. I wouldn't be afraid to use this one. Joe didn't use it. And then you got your Alabama CA. Papa needs me to get a good look at it. So excuse me for a second, guys. Just a second. Okay, I'm on this side, and everything is just. All this is just about the same on the CA like on the B. I believe this might be a CA. I don't know. Oh my! John Deere 730 power steering. Diesel engine with a power steering. Good gracious. Big boys. If only there was an orchard out here. Orchard 60 or something. Good gracious. Oh, 40. Oh, 320 just putting along. How are you gentlemen?
Pretty good. How about you, buddy?
Good. Hold on, guys. All right, guys. John Deere 830 diesel.
Have a good one.
You too. 830 diesel power steering. Ugh. These things were the tractor back in its day. Look at the size comparison between them. And just a tire. Now that's the next model up. The 830. Goodness.
No, you can't have no. Boy, you stay cut on my hand.
See the size comparison between those two, Papa? Look at the 730 and then look at the 830. There's a 140.
That was my tractor.
Yeah. 830 diesel power steering and a 730 diesel power steering. Those were something back then, weren't they? Ah, yes, the old 140.
This Farmall 140, that's what took place at Super 8.
Mm-hmm. That little 320 is just getting it. Same engine. Yep, same engine. Same everything. What the flower Papa's got for the Super A come out to about right about where my hand is. Oh yeah, another little old cub. Those cubs didn't have much power for what you needed, Papa.
What, son?
Them cubs don't have enough power for what you need.
No, Cubs don't.
Oh, they're good for it, guys. I don't want to hurt no.
Do all right for what it's set up to do.
Yeah. I don't want to hurt nobody's feelings, but these things are just basically a lawnmower, as Papa would say. Same thing, different, similar, same setup as the A and Super A. The A's can do a little bit more than these Cubs can. Ah yeah, big boy out of the McCormick International Series. Big old Super MTA? Yeah. Much bigger than an H. You ought to find you one of these, Papa. Torque amplifier. Oh my.
What?
Torque amplifier. This thing, you ought to find one of these and use it. Yes. This thing. Somebody rigged up a 3-point hitch system. Whew. Hydraulics. Live hydraulics, Papa? Live hydraulics.
Oh yeah.
I figured.
So that had a little more power than an M.
Mm-hmm. A little more, a lot more.
More, yeah.
The Super M had a little bit more power than the M did.
Well, the Super M and the MTA.
Super MTA, yeah. Then the International had a Super HTA too. Finding one of them's fun. Gonna be fun. They're rare. Very rare. Look at this big old International. International 886. One under the 8. I mean, the one under the. I'll get it right in a minute. Gracious, look at night of living. Big old International. I mean, that thing is big. You got a little Cub Cadet, International Cub Cadet or Cub Cadet 126. Workhorse John Deere 60 wide front. Number was not too big on these. I like one with a tricycle better, but another 60. Yep. Okay, guys, this is a 1952 John Deere 60. And there's your owner, hometown. And you got a good looking LA. John Deere LA. Never seen one of these before. 42. John Deere LA. There's some old tractors sitting over there. Hold on. Me and Papa wandered over here. There's two H's sitting in there, right?
Not an H or M.
I think one of them might be an H and the other one might be an M.
Oh, right.
And there's a carcass right there. There's a Minneapolis Moline. Look at the disc hairs on this thing. Go to find somebody and try to buy it, Papa. Oh, I'd definitely try to find somebody and buy it. Man. Yeah.
I know what H for.
So me and Papa's going back towards this 320. And we need one of these. Farm all country. We need one of those, Papa.
That's all right.
And put right there on the front door. That would tell me I'd have to get my green thing on down to my place.
Okay, y'all guys, tractor pullers, come on up. Let's get registered, and you'll have to forgive me right here at the beginning.
420.
When you get up here, anybody that's a vendor or exhibitor, if you have not registered, up there at the top of the hill, building parallel to the road.
Well, right in forward. Your dad had one, didn't he? John Deere A. Young style today. I don't even want to throw a number of what year it is. And there's 2 trucks. Yes. Look at this International. Look at this big bush hog. Goodness. A lot bigger than mine. That's for sure. I bet you that thing gets a lot of use, don't it? I see Harris again. This John Deere 320. That's a nice little 320. Ooh, it sounds good. Oh, wow. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera, but I'm looking at myself.
Looks like a lot of things I'm not familiar with, but I don't remember the 320. John Deere. Nice little tractor, ain't it?
Yeah, it's real nice. Nice show condition. Somebody running. If you look real close. Brand new, yeah.
Probably just has restored that.
Probably. I like that thing a lot. I heard him crank it up. He drove that thing right out of the trailer, fired right up. If this thing fired right on up.
You heard it wrong.
Oh yeah, he cranked it up and drove right out of that trailer.
Nice tractor.
Real nice. Alright. Well, let's go over here. Ducks and trailers. Alright. RLC. I mean, sorry, Super C. Good looking Super C.
Basically, I ate.
International. McCormick Deering, or whatever you want to call them. I'll probably say, when International quit making the B, this is what replaced the C. I mean the B. The C
What?
and Super C. This is what replaced the B, Papa. The difference on how you can tell if it's different from a B and the C is, number one, the size, and number two, the steering wheel, and number three, the horsepower. Right, Papa?
Ain't it realize steering mechanism set up like that's better.
Mm-hmm. Show you guys the difference. Size comparison. Size to see the steering shaft.
But the funny thing is, I watched the video about it. It still sounds like they're cheap. They said it's the same thing initially.
This is two-row. Two-row. One would be here and the other one would be there. If they would have parked them side by side, we wouldn't have to really worry about it. But, oh yeah, and the clutch and these models were like the H. Clutch on one side and brakes on the other. It's getting warm. But yeah, what they wanted to do, they wanted to make a smaller version of the H, but also that could do what M and H stuff could do. And my friends, this is what they came out with. This thing right here, I'll tell you guys one thing. It's nice. That's a big one there, Papa. There's your little cub. Them little cubs are very neat. I want to take a look at these two Mack trucks, Papa. Oh, I want to take a look at them two Mack trucks and that old lawnmower.
All right.
Size of this, these two Mack. That's a big boy there. Mack diesel.
When he worked at school,
This is a Mack B75.
what year was he?
I don't know, Papa. I don't know big rigs that well. That's a sleeper. Oh, we're coming in the frame. That's about normal. See the Model A's, Papa?
Yeah.
Check out this little lawnmower here. John Deere 285. 80s model John Deere. I think that the international sign should be up front and the John Deere should be in the back. He's got it backwards. Oh wow.
Your granddad didn't have a John Deere riding mower.
When my dad was younger, he did, yeah. Look at this. That's a neat old cooler. Oh.
How you feeling?
Let's see if you got the. Oh, that's neat. You got the pop. Where you pop it open? Ah, yeah, Ford New Holland. Well, Model A time, Papa.
Just a reminder, if you haven't registered, register your vendors and exhibitors up at the long.
Oh, look at here.
Yard tractors down here displayed.
Model A. What is this? Model A, Papa?
Yeah.
Model A pickup. That's neat. You always change here. See, you guys, on these models, the gas was right here on the steering wheel. It would be right about there. Let me go on the other side and show you. If you look, see that little lever right there? That's your gas. Nice. Okay. Pickup. Somebody made it into a pickup, I believe. Right. Some of the signs say, "Real men don't ask directions." One that says, "You can't fix stupid." Another one said, "This is my lucky fishing shirt, do not wash." This is interesting.
His head is fine. You know, saw blade.
Mm-hmm.
That's something like it.
Yep. Around the bottom.
No. You like a hamburger?
Oh.
I need to. I need to buy it. No, I saw it. Hey, I got him.
Ah, somebody put new seats in here. There's your gas right there, little lever. Oh, yes, sir. Model A.
I can't think of where England is.
Oh, there.
This is interesting.
We cross it by there.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. We'll cross that bridge when we get there.
That's right.
Thank y'all.
Once they set your worm to swim, go fish.
You know, back when we was young, we would have balled them all over. Just a bunch of junk stuff, see?
Alright, what else we got out here?
I stapled them all this time. Last time we was
Finish up the show part, we'll get ready for tractor pull.
How you doing, buddy?
I am doing great. Oh, how I need a saw. A bunch of chainsaws. Oh, wow, here's a rare item. John Deere push mower. Old tiller. Another old tiller. Old wheel. Well, look around, guys. Hang on. There's a lot of models here. Toy models. Waterloo Boy R. I've already got an R. People want money for 15, 40. Old model. Whole thing of model tractors.
You just got a whole bunch of toys yesterday.
And yes, these old things. So neat. I'm doing good. One lawnmower, two lawnmowers. Just look at this trailer. Size of this trailer. That would haul some tractors. That's a nice trailer, Papa.
Huh?
This is the one nice trailer.
It is.
Doing good. Yes, but I don't have the money. These mowers. I still prefer my go to that. Well, I noticed I missed that Model A, but look at that nice trailer. Double axle. We're getting ready for a pull down there. So guys, after I get this Model A, we'll switch right on over to the pool. That's a nice Model A. Yeah, I don't even know how I missed this. Alright, nice Model A. I'm not going to do the full walk around like I normally do. I'm not getting into that poison ivy. I don't feel like scratching all the way home. But anyway. Well guys, just let me set up a minute for the pool. On the last walk on these tractors. We will call it for a show. So ain't done yet though. The big. They're getting ready down there. Okay, big boy, I hear you. King Ranch F450. Okay, guys. I'll see y'all. I'll get ready for part 2. So, Let me dismount and gear up again. We'll be ready to go. See y'all in a minute. This is the end of part 1.